Sessions. This particular lesson is for beginners on guitar. We have the beginner guitar, intermediate guitar. We have rock level 2 down here, and singers, instrumentalists. I seem to be hitting keys lately, although that's my minor instrument. Take you over here. This is not as neat as it usually is. Have our coffee up here and goodies on our break. That's my favorite part, the breaks actually. So I'm going to give you a little basics on getting started with the guitar. First of all, you want to get yourself a pick. You're going to need one of these. The instrument you choose is important. This here is your acoustic guitar. While it's not the most elaborate and expensive, it's an Epiphone steel string. You got choice between steel and nylon string guitars until you move over to electric. And you have the same two choices with electric, steel and nylon string. You can move into more of the 6 or 12, whichever's your taste. Real important is what we call the action of the instrument. That's how high the strings are off the board and the general playing ability of the instrument. You can go the gamut with an inexpensive instrument. Without the proper help, you could end up picking an instrument you wish you didn't pick. And my only recommendation at that point is to go back and get up a grade, or have the smartness to know that you can get a fairly decent priced instrument that's real good. Sometimes it's the pick of the litter, if you would, the way that thing goes. To choose between the nylon and the steel is also going to depend on your fingers. Steel might hurt a little bit more in the beginning. Nylon's a little gentler. So what I want you to do is pick up your guitar. If you got one, you're sitting home and you never played before. This is for beginners. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get a pick. I like using the mediums. You can use thin, medium, or heavy. Hold it in your hand, and I want you just, without any fingers in the left hand, just to strum across gently. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Let it ring, hear the sound of your instrument. Let's try 4 times. 1, 2, ready, go. Notice I'm having you play before you learn anything. Why? Once you get hot right into it, hot right in and do it. One more time. Ready? All down strums. 1, 2, here we go. Okay. Now, when I was at Berklee College of Music, some guys like using more finger motion. Some use wrist. Certainly when I was studying with Metheny, Pat Metheny, he had an unusual style. Same with George Benson. So we'll get to those guys later. That'll be cool. The chart. This is basically like a tablature chart. Gives you the names of the strings, and these would be what we call the frets between the bars. So first we got the top one, the thickest one, is called low E, number 6, 6th string. Alright, then A, the 5th, D, G, B, and E. So there's 2 E's. They're actually 2 octaves apart. So look over here one more time at the guitar. My good friend Glenn is shooting this thing. He's done all of them for us. E, A, D, G, B, E. Now on the left hand, we've got 4 fingers. We don't use the thumb. We've got the index, middle, ring, and pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to take the middle finger, that's called number 2, and put it on that 5th string. That's the second one from the top, on the 2nd fret. Oh, it hurts. Well, it's going to hurt. No pain, no gain, right? 2nd fret, and press down real hard, and that will be called our E minor 7. The circles means that all those strings are open. So, take the finger, 2nd fret, E minor 7, we're going to strum all the strings. 1, 2, ready, go. right, let's try it 4 times, please. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, 1, 2, ready. Oh, you're still having a problem. All right, then this is what we're going to do. Lift up the finger, put it down. Lift it up. It's called calisthenics. Down, up, down, up, down. Eventually you'll get to move real quick. But for now, let's just play it 4 times. One more time. Ready, go. Now after you practice that a bit at home, I want you to take the same finger and we're going to skip a string onto the 3rd string 2nd fret. Except this time for our D, 5, 6, 9, if you want to be technical, we're not going to hit string 6. All the others are cool to do, and it's going to sound like this. Can you do that one 4 times with me? 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, let's try something for kicks. We're going to do 1 strum of each, like this. Let it ring, and when I say switch, we switch. Okay? Here we go. Ready, go. Now switch. Try it again. Ready, go. Switch. 4 each. 1, 2, 4 strums. Now let's mix up some rhythms with it. We've got down, down, up, down, down. You get it? I'm going down, then I'm going down, up, down, down. Now this stuff's really started, in my opinion, with the folk era, kicking off in the 60s, where they write the words to the song, they throw in some letter names for chords. And that certainly is rather primitive, but it's still used today. So we're going to do A Horse with No Name. You're learning your first song. Are you ready? The easy way. 1, 2, 4 beats each.